Are you looking to jailbreak your Fire TV stick? Don't worry, I got you covered. It's not really jailbreaking, it's just being able to sideload some apps onto your Fire TV stick. First things first, download one program, downloader. This is the main program I always use in order to sideload other applications onto the Fire Stick. As you can type in the search function, DO, and it pops up super quick. You might have to type in the whole thing, most likely not. Click on downloader, click on the orange downloader icon, and it'll ask you to download it. So just get it, download it. It'll go into the queue, downloading, and installing. Prior to opening this, go back to the home screen, and we will need to enable one option, two options. Click on the cogwheel here and go over to My Fire TV. Under My Fire TV, you may or may not have this listed developer options. If you don't, click on the About and click on Fire TV Stick with the select button 7 times. As you can tell, it popped up in the bottom here. No need, you're already a developer. I am. If you're not, do that and it'll automatically pop it up. You'll become a developer. Turn on developer options, turn on ATP debugging, go down to installed unknown apps, and as you can see, I have downloader, and now we can turn it on. Now downloader is able to install unknown apps from other sources. If you don't have this option, you have an older stick, it'll probably just be a yes, no, install apps from unknown sources, and you click on it. There won't be the second screen here. Once you've done that, you're able to go back to find the downloader icon. Now most likely it's way at the end here in the 4 squares. You can click on it, and when it's over here, click on the hamburger button on your remote, and you can move it right to the front. So we click back home, and there we go, have our download app at the front. I do recommend using downloader to have a VPN. So download IPVanish, use the link below to get I think it's 60% discount. As you can tell, I'm not connected. I'd like to be connected. We can connect ourselves into the States. We can go home, back to the downloader button, icon, back to the downloader app, and it's going to come up to access photos, media, and files, and we can just say yep and click OK. And once we're in here, we can download, or we can go to my personal app store, 546835, or you can type in ledbytheunknown.com. We can go here, and after that little 5-second blip, click on the 3 lines again, go to add to current page. So we're here. So once we're in here, we can go across. This is my own web page, ledbytheunknown.com. Click it down, the little pull down menu, and find downloads. Under downloads, you can find the apps that you would like to download. Like for instance, we can click on like Zumo TV, which is an app available anywhere, pretty much in the world. It's free to download. Get out your phone, take a picture of the QR code to get the discount for IPVanish. And now we have for Android device or Amazon device. Click on Amazon device. It's going to ask us to install down on the bottom right. Say yes, install. And once that's installed, click Done. And then we can delete the APK file because we no longer need it. And as you can tell down at the bottom, it says Zumo TV is ready to open. So we can go back to the home screen and find Zumo. Let's go back to the three squares to your apps and games. And there's Zumo. If you want, you can force it to go to move to front. And you can click on it and open it. And away you go, guys. As easy as that, okay? Take it easy. I'm Lee, your new trusted, your old trusted, your trusted TV geek, tech geek, your trusted tech geek. I don't know how to figure that one out yet, but take it easy. So I was having an okay day. A little bummed out that Lee Jackson, his channel's kind of been gone. Sucks. So I do have this one, Stream Direct. Finally get a video going good on YouTube, and boom. Another warning. Another strike. I can't win. So I'm going to do little tutorials here for you guys on YouTube. If you want to see the good tutorials, click on the link below under Rumble, Lee Jackson. Alright? Take it easy. Peace.